Hey guys, what's going on today? I want to talk to y'all about forwarding a domain name and how to do that, why you might want to do it. So, domain name, first of all, I'm sure you probably already know, but it's the spot between www and .com. So, like, if you own a domain name, I recommend getting them from GoDaddy. It's where I purchase all my domain names and set up websites. Sometimes I have a domain name and you may not want to set up a website for some reason or don't need to. Maybe you're I can give you a perfect example. Maybe you're buying multiple domains, but you're only going to set up one website. Well, the other ones you would want to point those to the same place, right? So I can give you an example. Recently, so it's May 11th, 2018. So I purchased within the last couple of weeks this domain, bepositivewith.us. Now that's not so obviously you see the play on words, be positive with us. .us is not a major extension, which is the .us part, but .com is, right? So bepositivewithus.com was also available, so I purchased that in case as I grow this brand, if someone says, oh yeah, I heard about that, be positive with us, try to go to the website .com, I will forward this. This is forwarded to this domain, okay? So how to do that in GoDaddy, I'm in the domain section, and so I want to talk about just as much about how to do it as why to do it. Why to do it and strategies behind it is just as important in my opinion. So I should be able to go in here and let's see. So you have DNS. Connection. They've kind of changed how they do things, which is cool. Nothing wrong with that. Things change in inside data. Let's go inside DNS and see what it offers us. So inside that, the DNS settings, I'm able to manage forwarding. So here it would have said probably would have been blank. Probably would have just said HTTP. But so I was able to edit this. And I literally just put in this domain where I want it to go. I made it permanent, meaning that's what I want it to do. Forward only, update my name servers. Okay, cool. So I saved that. And now it tells you here it may take a little while. So if you do that instantly, like the second you go to the website, it may not be forwarded. It may take up to even an hour. I've usually within 10 minutes, it always forwards and works. But it's possible that it would take some time or whatever. Now, let me talk about another strategy. I also wanted to forward the other domain that I have currently. So bepositivewith.us. I wanted to currently forward that as well. Why? Because it went to a holding page. If somebody went to that domain, I don't yet have the website set up. So what we're selling, we're going to be selling products, positive-based products. So like coffee mugs and t-shirts and printed products with positive messages on them. But I don't have those designs and everything set up yet. So what I've already done is I've set up an Instagram page and a Facebook page. And I'm building an Instagram page. Literally in the last 48 hours, I set it up and am beginning to grow that. So I have the domain forwarded to the Instagram page. Now, I had to forward it from Bluehost, my hosting company. Here's why. Because I had pointed the name servers to Bluehost because I intend to host the website here. If you have never done this or changed the name servers, don't worry about it. You can do it straight from where you purchase your domain name, aka GoDaddy. And I have affiliate links to both of these that I'll include. I would recommend both of these products and services. I've used Bluehost and GoDaddy for the last at least 5 years, maybe a little bit more than that, and I appreciate and use both of them. So in Bluehost, if that's who you use as your host, and you've already pointed name servers, so the domain is in essence moved to this account, you would go to domains, click this redirect. Now I'll go back to the domain tab just to show you what it looks like. So here's the domain section, what it looks like. So here's domains. You would go to this redirect, and I'll show you some that I already have set up. But this is where you would go to it. You would add, and you would choose from your account what domain. So for me, I had this domain, be positive with us, redirect it to, I told it where I wanted to go, redirect with or without www is what I would use personally, and then you add this redirect, and that's it. It's permanent. That's where it's going until you come back and you delete that redirect. So here's some that I actually have. So remember when I told you bepositivewithus.com forwards to this. This I have actually forwarded to our Instagram page. Let's see if bepositivewithus.com forwards to .us, which goes to Instagram. Let's see what happens. I actually haven't done this yet. Cool. Exactly what it's supposed to do. You can see that I've created this page in the last 48 hours. Again, it's May 11th, 2018, so I'll be curious to, interested to show you the growth of this page over time. Another side note, these pictures came from Pixabay and another source. I'll try to include that video afterwards where you can use free, royalty-free images. You just credit the photographer if you want to. I actually would rather do that because maybe, who knows, maybe they'll share it and be like, hey, check out this page. But so that is how you redirect those videos. Redirect those websites to a URL that you want. Maybe it's the fact that you're not even creating a website, but you want to point people and tell them to go to myname.com, and it points to your Facebook page, for example. So that's just a creative way that you can do that. Cool. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment if you have some additional thoughts. I'm happy to communicate. And see you next time.